Happy Mother's Day to me. So on this awesome Mother's Day, I'm planting new babies. Here are 3 of these Figaro white dahlias. They should be spaced 9 inches apart. We'll just pretend this is about 9 inches. 1, 2, 3. This one has a little baby growing, and it's kind of in this corner area of this flower bed. I also planted some alyssum over there. I'm creating these little ditches right here so that the water doesn't flow onto the asphalt. See how the little ditch catches the water? So there's a little drifted dahlias, and then there's the alyssum. I've tried ajuga there. I still have the, what's it called? Primrose right here. It's not doing that great. This area is super dry, but this one's doing okay. I watered it. Also had to create a little ditch because of the asphalt. But if that grows in, how cute would it be if this whole area was fluffy white? And I got some needle lice. I'll show you the other flower bed. Okay, and then I planted 3 globe thistles. I can see them. 1, 2, 3. And it's going to be so pretty because there's Agastache, some salvia, pink, like bluish purple, and then the like periwinkle color thistle. It's going to be so amazing. These perfect tulips. And I don't know if you remember, but this is the ajuga that I brought from my house. It's blooming. Like a lot. It's so awesome. I got the citronella too to ward off pests. I'm going to plant it somewhere in the back. Maybe here. There we go. Look how beautiful the variegated iris is. I can't wait to see it bloom. It's interesting because Mother's Day is the day that gardeners often say not to plant annuals, to wait until Mother's Day to plant annuals and things like that. And that's what I did today. I planted some annuals, which I don't like to plant annuals because I don't like digging them up afterward or planting them. I prefer weeding and pruning than planting. But anyway, but I did get a nice extra Mother's Day surprise. And even though it's not my hibiscus, but the hibiscus where I volunteer, I see. There we go. Some new little stems growing. 1, 2, 3. That's not one. This is not one. I can't get this out. It's a wild geranium. But 4, 5, 6. So I'm so excited. That means mine might be growing. So you better believe once I get home I'm going to check them. Side note, I got this cute little bumblebee pin for Mother's Day from Matthew. Okay, so I just spent many hours pulling grass. And I just have one more thing to do, and that's check that hibiscus. Let's go. Okay, I'm home. Let's go check them out. Oh, here's the sumerific. I see nothing. Here's the dark mystery. Is that something right there? Yes, I think so. Yes, that does look like a little growth, and then also down here looks like a little node is swelling. It's not much, but it's something. There's the plum crazy. Look at that. Swelling leaf nodes, but none of those little asparagus looking stalks. Oh wait. Yeah, so that's exciting. It's not a lot of growth, but it's a little bit, and it's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day. Check yours out. I forgot that I also have the Luna White and the Luna Red and the... I forget the other one. Okay, Midnight Masquerade. Don't want this growing over the root ball. It's Vinca. Isn't it amazing? I'd say nothing yet. Okay, now the Luna Red. No, I don't see anything here yet. I also have 2 Luna White. Here's 1 Luna White. Oh, look at that. If you dig a little, there's a little bit of new growth. Looks like there's some right there too. I don't want to break it. Yay. Okay, I have 1 more. Oh. Oh, ow. Roofing tile. I don't think so. Did get kind of pushed behind the boat. I haven't been able to check it out very much, but I don't see anything. So, okay.